Transform your home's curb appeal. Stunning front yard island ideas for exquisite landscaping. Elevate your home's exterior with creative front yard landscaping that captures attention and enhances curb appeal. A well-designed front yard island can serve as a breathtaking focal point, showcasing unique landscape concepts that reflect your personal style. In this article, we'll explore stunning front yard island ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a professional-grade garden. The art of landscape design. When it comes to landscape design, the key is to create balance and harmony. A thoughtfully planned front yard island can introduce structure and beauty to your property. Consider incorporating various garden features such as ornamental trees, vibrant flower beds, and decorative stones. These elements not only add visual interest but also create a welcoming atmosphere. Outdoor islands, a haven of creativity. Outdoor islands are perfect for expressing your creativity. Imagine a lush oasis adorned with colorful perennials or a serene retreat featuring tranquil water elements. For a more contemporary look, opt for geometric shapes and minimalist plantings that complement your home's architecture. The possibilities are endless, and with a little imagination, you can design an outdoor island that truly stands out. Professional gardening tips for stunning landscaping. To achieve the perfect front yard island, consider these professional gardening tips. Choose the right plants. Select a mix of evergreen and seasonal plants to ensure year-round appeal. Incorporating different heights and textures will create a dynamic landscape. Create a focal point. Design your island around a central feature, such as a striking sculpture, bird bath, or a stunning tree. This draws the eye and adds depth to your landscaping. Mind the scale. Ensure that your island is proportionate to your front yard. A well-sized island enhances the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the space. Incorporate hardscaping. Use pathways, retaining walls, or decorative borders to define your island. These elements not only add structure but also enhance accessibility. Lighting is key. Install landscape lighting to highlight your island at night. Soft illumination can showcase your garden features and create a magical ambience. Unique landscape concepts for every home. Whether you prefer a tropical paradise or a classic English garden, unique landscape concepts can be tailored to suit your home's character. For a modern touch, consider using succulents and low-maintenance materials. If you're drawn to traditional aesthetics, incorporate brick pathways and fragrant flowers to evoke nostalgia. Incorporating these stunning front yard island ideas into your landscape design will not only enhance your home's curb appeal, but also create a personal sanctuary for relaxation and enjoyment. By applying these professional gardening tips and embracing creative front yard landscaping, you can transform your outdoor space into a visual masterpiece that reflects your individuality. In conclusion, a well-crafted front yard island is more than just a design element, it's a statement of style and sophistication. Let your imagination run wild as you explore these concepts and turn your front yard into a stunning showcase of landscaping brilliance.